Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related to tech. If you've been searching for a beginner friendly way to earn money online, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the Temu affiliate program, a fantastic opportunity to make money by promoting Temu's amazing range of products. And you don't need any prior experience, a big social media following, or a huge investment to get started. I will be guiding you through every step by step process, so stick around. You might be asking what the Temu affiliate program is, and in simple terms, Temu pays you a commission every time someone makes a purchase using affiliate link. You'll be promoting their products, everything from fashion to gadgets, art supplies, clothing, and earning a percentage of each sale. The best part, Temu has affordable pricing, which makes it easier to get people to click and buy. To get started, you would have to first sign into your Temu user account and proceed to navigate to the bottom side of the website. Right at the bottom, you would find an option that says Affiliate and Influencer Earn Commission. This is what you are going to use for this process. By clicking on this option, you'll be directed onto a new tab that's going to assist you in navigating through the different products that are available to be promoted by you. Next up, on the left side of your screen, you have options to select from, and hot items will include all of the items that are worthy of considering for affiliate marketing. On the top side of your screen, you have different categories such as arts, crafts and sewing, home, men's shoes, and so much more. To be successful in promoting, navigating through these categories and selecting an item that you can actually promote and talk about is very essential. So for this example, we're going to click on art, crafts, and sewing as we will be promoting a product that's going to be related to art. The specific example that we're going to use is a sketchbook item, and by clicking on that item itself, we'll be able to open it up in a new tab and review the different details of that product. For affiliate marketing with Temu, you have different options as to where you can promote the products, and you can see the list of platforms that are integrated with Temu by navigating next to the name of the product. As you can see, it is integrated with Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest, and you can simply copy the link while you're creating your post. For this tutorial, we will go ahead and proceed with Pinterest. And the first logical thing to do here is to search for any related item within the platform that you plan to promote it in so that you would know the keywords on how to name it and give it a title. So considering this, we'll hop over onto a Pinterest account and we can search for sketchbook. And as you can see, these are the most searched for items. You can definitely select whichever works best for you. For this specific item, as you can see, sketchbook is practically the one that we can utilize. Perhaps we can use some of the details that are within the Temu title so that we can be able to provide some detail on our pin. Next up, to create your pin, you can click on Pinterest on the left top side of your screen, and you can opt for Create Pin option, and that will allow you to create your pin and also add the affiliate promo link from Temu. On the image section, you can input a downloaded version of the image that you see on Temu. And also you can work through the different options of image that you see on Temu so that you can make it more presentable on your pin for Pinterest. By using a combination of the title from Temu and also some keywords that we have just discovered by searching on the search bar, we can proceed to add some more detail in the description bar. The next important step is to add your link from Temu. In order to do this, you can navigate next to the name of the item on Temu and click on the copy icon. By simply pasting it on your pin, you can further specify the boards that you want this pin to be in. We have an arts board that we've created earlier. To make it more searchable, you can utilize the space to add all the tags that you would need. With all the details sorted, next up is to hit publish and have it open for the public to view. And there you have it. The product has been posted to your board. If you click on that specific product, you can see that the Temu affiliate link is also included within the details for the post. Whenever people view this pin and click on the link that is attached to it, they'll be directed to Temu's official website so that they can make purchases from there. Promoted successfully. And that's it. This is your beginner's guide to making money with Temu affiliate program by using Pinterest. And keep in mind, you can use other platforms as well. It would be the same process. And thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and we'll see you on the next one.